Hello everyone, Namaste. Today we will discuss about the future tense as we have already discussed about the simple present, simple past and all other parts of the tenses. Today especially we will talk about the simple future tense and here we will discuss about the four parts as well as the structures and examples. In the previous videos we have been talking about the present tense, all the four parts, past tense, and now we will talk about the specific of simple future tense only. In the next videos we will be covering all the three topics, that is remaining future continuous, future perfect and future perfect continuous. So let's talk one by one. In the simple future tense, why do we call it simple future or future indefinite tense? The verb tells about the future happening and it is not certain that we can say it will definitely happen. So we can understand this simple future tense with this table. Here I have written person, first person, second person, third person and singular and plural of the persons. In the singular we are using I shall go there. In the plural we shall go there. And except this I and we, everywhere we use will. So let's see the example. Second person, you will go there. Second person plural number, you will go there. Now coming to the third person singular number, he, she, it or one name, that is Rana, or it can be anything, will go there. He will go there, she will go there, it will go there, Rana will go there. Now we are coming to the third person plural number. They will go there. Rita and Purnima will go there. Here we are using many names and they will go there. Now coming to the next. Here we are looking structure. What is the structure of simple future tense? Affirmative sentence. Subject plus shall or will plus V1 plus object. Let's see the example one by one. Rani will eat pizza. Here after will we are using V1. Mahi will read an old novel. So will plus V1, that is read. Shyama and Purulika will go to cinema tomorrow. So after will we are using go. Go is V1 here. My friends will not cheat me in long run. So here will not cheat. So cheat is V1 after will. Let's see the next. Here I have written 6 types of sentence. So what are the 6 types of sentence? If you have watched the previous video of present tense and past tense, definitely you will understand what are these 6 types of sentences. Anyhow, I am telling you, first is Rani will eat pizza. This is called affirmative sentence because affirmation is there. Second is will Rani eat pizza? This is the interrogative, this is the question. The third one is Rani will not eat pizza. This is called negative sentence. And fourth one is will Rani not eat pizza? This is question as well as negative. So this is called interrogative negative. The fifth one is WH sentence. Why will Rani eat pizza? How will Rani eat pizza? Where will Rani eat pizza? Like this we can ask questions. The sixth one and last one, this is WH negative. Why will Rani not eat pizza? In this way, we have completed 6 types of sentences and we will discuss about the structure of these sentences also. That will help you to make sentences. So let's see one by one. What is the structure of affirmative sentence? It is subject plus shall or will plus V1 plus object. What is object here? Pizza, you know. The second sentence is will or shall plus subject plus V1 plus object, question mark. It is interrogative. Now we are coming to the negative. Subject plus shall or will plus not plus V1 plus object. Now it is interrogative negative. Number 4, will oblique shall plus subject plus not plus V1 plus object and question mark. Number 5, WH plus will or shall plus subject plus V1 plus object question mark. Now we are coming to the last one, WH negative sentence, and here WH plus will or shall plus subject plus not plus V1 plus object at the last question mark. If you have understood these all structures, definitely you can make the task for your own understanding, and here it is written your practice time. Make 6 sentences of each sentence. The number 1 is Ramakant Swami will read a novel. Number 2, Mahatma will read a religious book. Number 3, Anusha and Aradhya will come to my office at morning. Number 4, the bird will pick the grains. Number 5, the young boys will hold the result of the match. And in this way, I hope we have come to the end of this topic. And if you have any doubt, we will discuss, and please write your doubts in the comment box and you will get the answers as well. Thank you.